Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to make your English sentences sound less robotic and expand your vocabulary at the same time? You are in the right place. Today we are mastering relative clauses and unlocking 5 powerful descriptive words to upgrade your writing. In this video, we are going to look at how to smoothly combine sentences using relative pronouns so your writing sounds much more natural. And then we'll dive into an awesome vocabulary building exercise to expand your word store. Grab a pen, follow along with the exercises on screen, and let's get right into it. Let's use grammar. Join these sentences, making changes where necessary. We are given an example. I have heard the lecture of a great scientist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize last year. We are given 2 sentences and we are asked to join these sentences. Pause the video for a moment and write it down yourself. I have heard the lecture of the great scientist who was awarded the Nobel Prize last year. This sentence is about the great scientist. He is a person, so for a person we use who. I have heard the lecture of the great scientist who was awarded the Nobel Prize last year. Do you know the people? Their house was burgled last night. Do you know the people whose house was burgled last night? Antarctica is a continent, we know very little about it. Antarctica is a continent that we know very little about, or Antarctica is a continent about which we know very little. A lady had dinner with us last night. She is a famous novelist. The lady who had dinner with us last night is a famous novelist. The spectators lustily cheered the cricketer. He scored a double century in the test match. The spectators lustily cheered the cricketer who scored a double century in the test match. I'll show you the lovely orchids. I brought them from Nepal. I'll show you the lovely orchids which I brought from Nepal. I'll show you the lovely orchids that I brought from Nepal is also correct. Here's an image of a beautiful orchid. Did you know that vanilla bean that is used in making vanilla ice cream? Vanilla bean is also an orchid. Now a completely unrelated question. Which is your favorite ice cream? Match words of similar meaning. Column A with column B. Here is given a list of words in column A and in column B. Pause the video and first try it yourself. Curious, inquisitive, magnificent, grand, enormous, huge, faint, dim, astonish. It matches with amaze. Now use the correct form of the words above in these blanks. All mountaineers agree that the view from the top of a high mountain is. Which of the above is correct in this sentence? Magnificent or grand? You can use whichever column you want. You can either use magnificent or you can use grand. I'll use the words from column A for easy understanding. One sees vast stretches of ice-capped peaks and the sky. In the faint light of the moon, I could not find my friend's house. The elephant ate 20 kg of bread and sugar cane. After that enormous meal, he slept for an hour. My friends are very curious to look at the planet Mars through a telescope. It is, here astonish will be correct, but we cannot use just astonish. It is astonishing that hibernating animals go without food for 4 to 5 months.